Weather Service in State College, Pennsylvania has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Bedford County, Pennsylvania, southwestern Blair County, Pennsylvania, southern Cambria County, Pennsylvania, eastern Somerset County, Pennsylvania, until 2:45 p.m. At 1:36 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a line of severe thunderstorms. These severe storms extended from Ancaster to Berlin to Frostburg, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. These storms are capable of producing damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. Locations included in the warning: Bedford, Belmont, Breezewood, Evansburg, Elam, Johnstown, Nancy-Lo, Portage, Westmont, Windber, Lunop State Park, Boswell, Buffalo Mills, and Central City. Other notable locations in the warning: Johnstown Flood National Memorial Historic Site, Mount Aloysius College and University of Pittsburgh, Johnstown. This will impact the following central Pennsylvania interstates: the Pennsylvania Turnpike between mile markers 125 and 165, Interstate 70 between mile markers 147 and 150, Interstate 99 between mile markers 0 and 24. Severe thunderstorms create winds of more than 57 miles per hour, or hail 1 inch or larger. This line of severe thunderstorms has a history of producing wind damage in Maryland and West Virginia. Do not stay outdoors. Please report hail, strong winds or wind damage to the National Weather Service and State College through Twitter or Facebook. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 2:45 p.m. for the following counties: Bedford, Blair, Cambria, and Somerset.